Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me again, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm off to a splash pad. Hoake tāpau. I'm so excited to go on the splash pad. Look at all the amazing features it has. Oh my gosh, let's do it. Okay. Oh, wait, I've got to remember to be sun safe. Okay, I need sunblock. All right. Sunblock. Okay, I think I'm ready to go. Which one am I going to go on first? The mushrooms, the guns, the big bucket. The mushrooms, guns, mushrooms. Let's go the mushrooms first. Come on. Oh, check out this mushroom. That looks like a beautiful jellyfish. Let's see what it looks like inside. Kia ora whānau, Buzz the Cuz, inside the mushroom jellyfish on another amazing adventure. Stunning. Whoa! Check out these cute little fountains. I'm gonna try catch the water. Ah, I got it. I love this place. Ah. Wow. Ah. Oh, that's tickling my feet. Oh. Whoa! Check out this one, e te whānau. This one has a surprise too. It spins really fast. Wow! Check it out! Whoa! That's making me dizzy. Raue! I've tried everything out and they're so awesome that I can't wait to try out this amazing bucket. Check this out. Amazing! Whoa! Wow! Woo! Woo! I've had such an amazing time today, whānau. Go get down, no.